Hello, welcome to Marine Courses Center. Today we're gonna to make a summary about COLREG because I have made a question about next videos and I found many of you want COLREG summary. So right now we're gonna to make a summary of COLREG and it's gonna to be so easy for you just to understand COLREG and also to solve after that quiz about COLREG. So right now, let's to understand what is the meaning of COLREG or what is the abbreviation of COLREG. COLREG, it is a convention on the international regulations for preventing collision at sea. So we have right now COLREG. Section and parts of COLREG. Part A is a general and it's gonna to be from rule number 1 to rule number 3. Part B, steering and sailing rules, from rule number 4 to rule number 19. Part C, lights and shapes. It's gonna to be from rule number 20 to rule number 31. And finally, Part D, light and sound signals. Rule number 1, application. To make a summary or to sum up rule number 1, I'm gonna to make it in 3 points. First point, rules apply to all vessels upon the high sea and in all water connected. 2. Nothing in these rules shall interface with the operation of any special rules. 3. Traffic separation schemes may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. Rule number 2, responsibility. 1. Nothing in these rules shall exonerate any vessel or the owner or master or crew to apply these rules. We may make a departure from these rules to avoid immediate dangers. Rule number 3, general definitions. The word vessel include every description of watercraft including non-displacement craft and wing-in-ground craft and seaplanes used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. What is the difference between wing-in-ground craft and seaplanes? First, seaplane include any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. Wing-in-ground craft means multimodal craft which in its main operational mode flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action. Power driving vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. Sailing vessels mean any vessel under sail provided that propelling machinery if fitted is not being used.